Will Cadena, New York City-based photographer, and today I'm going to show you how I use the FJ400 Strobe with soft light and hard light. So for the setup, we ended up using the sun as the main light, and we ended up using the FJ400 Strobe with the modifier, the deep umbrella, with the diffuser as a rim light. So it gives it like more of a dimensional look to the image. So what I told Jake was to pick up his chin, and I wanted his nose to be aimed towards the sun. And by me doing that, yes, it's hard light, but the cool thing about it, it brings out more of his cheekbones. So for this setup, we ended up using the background, which was very diffuse. So I wanted to make sure it balanced out. So we ended up using the FJ400 with the modifier, the deep umbrella, with the diffuser. So for our next setup, we ended up losing the sun. So what we did, we wanted to recreate the sun. So using the FJ400, nice and high, I wanted to match the shadows from the buildings. So we ended up using the FJ400 with no modifier. It was strictly hard light. So even though we're using hard light, we have to be careful with our shadows, and how we ended up filling our shadows was with the reflector. So I'm going to show you how I use the reflector with it and without it. So we created several different lighting looks just using one strobe. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.